Hey there, fellow seekers of success. You know, when it comes to excelling in leadership, there's one crucial skill that often gets overlooked, underestimated, and swept under the rug. It's none other than the art of effective communication. Trust me, folks, you simply can't afford to ignore it if you want to unlock your true potential as a leader. So buckle up and prepare to dive into the fascinating world of communication techniques that will leave you speechless. Picture this. You're leading a team of 10 individuals, all working towards a common goal. Now let me drop a jaw-dropping statistic on you. Did you know that a whopping 70% of employees report feeling disengaged at work? That's right, folks. 7 out of 10 people on your team might not be bringing their A game. But fear not. With the right communication techniques up your sleeve, you can turn those numbers around and create a powerhouse of productivity and motivation. Now, I know what you're thinking. But how can I become a master communicator, unleashing the full potential of my team? Well, my friends, get ready for some mind-blowing insights. We'll be exploring the art of active listening, a skill that goes beyond simply hearing words. I'll reveal the exact strategies to not just hear, but truly understand and empathize with your team members, fostering trust and boosting morale. But wait, there's more! We'll also uncover the power of nonverbal communication, where a simple gesture or facial expression can speak volumes. Did you know that a staggering 93% of communication is nonverbal? That's right, folks. Your body language could be saying more than your words ever could. Get ready to learn the secrets of confident posture, genuine eye contact, and those magic micro-expressions that convey trust and authority. Intrigued yet? You should be. In the next part of this epic journey towards mastering communication, we'll dive into the world of persuasive speech. I'll unveil the proven techniques to influence and inspire your team, leaving them hanging onto your every word. From storytelling to the power of a well-crafted analogy, we'll cover it all. So stay tuned, folks, because this is just the beginning of our incredible voyage into the realm of leadership communication. And cut! That's a wrap for the first 300 words, folks. Remember to hit that like button and smash that subscribe bell so you don't miss out on the rest of this life-changing series. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars and communicating like a true leader. All right, folks, we're back with more mind-blowing insights into the world of leadership communication. In our last segment, we touched upon the power of active listening and nonverbal cues. But now, get ready to take your communication skills to the next level as we delve into the art of delivering impactful messages. Imagine this scenario. You're in a boardroom, presenting a groundbreaking idea to your superiors. Did you know that the average attention span during a presentation is a mere 8 seconds? Yes, you heard that right. You have just 8 seconds to capture and hold your audience's attention. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to reveal the secret techniques that will have your listeners hanging on to your every word. First up, we have the power of storytelling. Did you know that our brains are hardwired to respond to narratives? By weaving a compelling story into your presentation, you can tap into your audience's emotions and make a lasting impact. I'll share with you the precise elements that make a story unforgettable, leaving your listeners inspired and eager to take action. But wait, there's more. We'll also uncover the art of structuring your message for maximum impact. From the attention-grabbing opening to the memorable closing, every moment counts. I'll reveal the exact formula to create a captivating flow that keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Get ready to discover the power of rhetorical devices, persuasive language, and the strategic use of visuals. And here's a jaw-dropping fact for you. Did you know that 70% of professionals believe presentation skills are critical for career success? That's right, folks. Mastering the art of delivering impactful messages can set you apart from the competition and open doors to incredible opportunities. So why wait? Start honing your skills today and watch your career skyrocket. But hold on to your seats because the next part of this series is going to blow your mind. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of conflict resolution and negotiation. Get ready to learn the exact techniques to navigate tricky conversations, handle difficult personalities, and come out on top. Trust me, folks, this is one episode you won't want to miss. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us in the next video for the most thrilling chapter yet. Remember, the journey to becoming an exceptional leader starts with mastering communication. Until then, keep honing your skills and get ready for greatness.